morning, teachers, and my dear friends. Today's online assembly is being conducted by Class 2A, and today's theme is Benefits of Reading. Every year, 19 June is celebrated as Reading Day in the memory of late P.L. Panikar. There is no friend as loyal as a book, and that's why books are considered as our best friends. Reading of a book can take you to far off lands without moving and take you on a ride of imagination. Reading also helps you to improve your wisdom and increase your knowledge and vocabulary. I too love reading books. My favorite books are the Harry Potter books, Roald Dahl books, and Ruskin Bond books. Now I would like to read a few lines from my own favorite storybooks. Mukesh starts a zoo. On a visit to Delhi with his parents, Mukesh spent 2 crowded hours at the zoo. He was dazzled by the many colorful birds, fascinated by the reptiles, charmed by the gibbons and chimps, and awestruck by the big cats, the lions, tigers, and leopards. There was no zoo in the small town of Dehra where he lived, and the jungle was some way across the riverbed. So, as soon as he got home, he decided that he would have a zoo of his own. Thank you. Now, let us listen to our friends as they read a few lines from their own favorite storybooks.
Happy Town was a happy place. All kinds of fairies, elves, and pixies lived there. They lived in pretty little houses with pretty little gardens where they grew apples and berries.
One day, little Krishna and his cowherd friends went to the forest on a picnic along with their calves. After playing for a long time, they felt hungry. Look, that place on the river bank is so beautiful, Krishna said. Let us sit there and eat. All the Gopas sat around Krishna and opened their lunch bags with great excitement. Krishna, see what I have, Sri Dama called out. Krishna bit off a piece of the sweet and said, so tasty.
Once an earthquake struck a poor village. All the villagers abandoned it and went away. Soon mice began to inhabit the ruins and it became a mice colony. Now this village was situated near a lake. A herd of elephants would go there daily to drink water. As they passed by the village, hundreds of mice would get hurt as the elephant would trample them.
The donkey's burden. A merchant on the donkey and a horse. Every day he would load his goods on the backs of both the animals and take him to the market to sell.
Rex the Big Dinosaur. Rex was a big dinosaur. He saw the little dinosaurs. They were playing. Can I play too? Said Rex. Yes, said the little dinosaurs. You can play with us. Thank you. Thank you, my dear friends. Now let us get ready to take reading pledge. Reading make good readers. Good readers make good writers. Good writers make good communicators. And do you know what good communicators make? Good communicators make a good society. So let us all contribute to this society by keeping good reading habits. At last, I would like to end this assembly with a beautiful quote. Reading is to the mind what exercising is to the body. Thank you.